Welcome to the Easy English Exercise channel, where you learn English in an easy way. Today, we're going to practice 60 daily work English sentences. These are simple, useful sentences you can use at your job or in professional situations. By the end of this practice, you'll feel more confident speaking English at work. Just relax, take a deep breath, and let's begin together. Let's start with sentences you use when you arrive at work. These are the first words you say each day. Simple greetings, polite questions, friendly phrases. They help you connect with your coworkers. They show respect and kindness. Even if your job is difficult, these sentences make the day start well. And the good news is, they're very easy to learn. We'll practice them slowly, together, right now. The first sentence is very common. Listen. Good morning. Now you say it. Good morning. This is how you greet people when you arrive. Simple and clear. Let's try it again. Good morning. Next sentence. How are you today? Repeat after me. How are you today? This shows you care about your coworkers. Try it once more. How are you today? You're doing fine. Now, a response when someone asks you. I'm fine, thank you. Say it with me. I'm fine, thank you. Or you can say, I'm good, thanks. Repeat. I'm good, thanks. Both are correct. Both are polite. Choose the one that feels comfortable. Now another greeting. Good to see you. Say it. Good to see you. This is warm and friendly. Try it again. Good to see you. You completed that practice. Here's a sentence about the weather. People at work often talk about weather. It's cold today, isn't it? Repeat after me. It's cold today, isn't it? Or if it's hot today. Say it. It's hot today. Small talk like this is important. It makes people comfortable. Let's try 2 more morning sentences. Did you have a good weekend? Repeat. Did you have a good weekend? And then, yes, it was nice. Say it. Yes, it was nice. You practiced several morning sentences now. Here's something you can do today. When you arrive at work tomorrow, or even later today, use one of these sentences. Say good morning to someone, or ask, how are you today? Even if it feels nervous, just try. Your coworkers will appreciate it, and each time you say it, it gets easier. Tonight, practice saying 3 morning sentences out loud, maybe while you're getting ready for bed. Say each one 5 times. Your mouth will remember the sounds. You're preparing yourself for real work situations. Now let's talk about sentences you use during work tasks. These help you communicate clearly with your team. When you need something, when you offer help, when you explain what you're doing. At work, clear communication is very important, and these sentences are simple. You don't need fancy words, just clear, direct English. Let's practice them slowly, together. First, asking for help. Can you help me, please? Repeat after me. Can you help me, please? This is polite and direct. Try it again. Can you help me, please? Now, asking for something specific. Could you send me that file? Say it. Could you send me that file? Or maybe, could you check this for me? Repeat. Could you check this for me? These sentences help you get what you need, and they're polite. Try them once more. Could you send me that file? Could you check this for me? You stayed with it. Now sentences for offering help. This is important too. Do you need help? Repeat. Do you need help? Simple and kind. Or you can say, I can help you with that. Say it with me. I can help you with that. This shows you're a good team member. Another one. Let me know if you need anything. Repeat after me. Let me know if you need anything. This is very professional. Try it again. Let me know if you need anything. You completed that practice. Now sentences about your work tasks. I'm working on the report. Say it. I'm working on the report. This tells people what you're doing. Or, I'm finishing the project today. Repeat. I'm finishing the project today. Clear information helps your team. Another sentence. I need more time for this. Say it. I need more time for this. It's okay to ask for time. Be honest. One more. I'll have it ready by tomorrow. Repeat after me. I'll have it ready by tomorrow. This gives a clear deadline. Try it once more. I'll have it ready by tomorrow. You're doing well. Later today, try this. Think about your actual work. What do you do? What tasks do you have? Now practice saying 2 sentences about your real work. Maybe, I'm working on emails, or I need to finish the report. Say each sentence 10 times out loud. Use your real tasks. This makes the practice meaningful. It prepares you for actual work conversations. When you practice with your real situation, the English becomes part of your job. You're building work English right now. Let's practice sentences for meetings and discussions. Meetings can feel stressful in English, but you don't need to say a lot. You just need a few key sentences. To agree, to ask questions, to give your opinion. These sentences help you participate. They show you're listening and thinking. And they're not complicated. We'll practice them together, slowly and clearly. First, agreeing with someone. I agree. Repeat after me. I agree. Short and clear. Or you can say, that's a good idea. Say it. That's a good idea. This shows support. Another one. I think so too. Repeat. I think so too. These are simple ways to agree. Let's say them together. I agree. That's a good idea. I think so too. You tried all 3. Now asking questions in a meeting. Can I ask a question? Say it with me. Can I ask a question? This is polite. It gets attention. Then you ask your question. For example, when is the deadline? Repeat. When is the deadline? Or, who is responsible for this? Say it. Who is responsible for this? Clear questions help everyone understand. One more. What do we need to do next? Repeat after me. What do we need to do next? This moves the meeting forward. Try it again. What do we need to do next? You completed that practice. Now giving your opinion. This can feel scary, but your opinion matters. I think we should start early. Say it. I think we should start early. You're sharing your idea. Or, in my opinion, it's better to wait. Repeat. In my opinion, it's better to wait. This is more formal. Both are good. Another sentence. Maybe we can try a different way. Say it with me. Maybe we can try a different way. The word maybe makes it softer, less direct. Try these opinion sentences again. I think we should start early. In my opinion, it's better to wait. You stayed focused. Here's your action. Tomorrow, if you have a meeting or discussion, try to use one sentence. Maybe just say, I agree, or ask, what do we need to do next? One sentence. That's all. Even if your voice shakes, even if you feel nervous, just try. And tonight, practice 3 meeting sentences out loud. Say each one 5 times. Feel how they sound. Notice the rhythm. You're preparing your voice for real meetings. You're building confidence right now. Now let's practice sentences for ending the workday. These are important too. When you leave, you want to be polite. You want to finish conversations well. You want to leave a good impression. These sentences help you do that. They're simple and respectful, and they help you transition from work to home. Let's practice them together, slowly. First, telling people you're leaving. I'm leaving now. Repeat after me. I'm leaving now. Clear and simple. Or, I'm going home. Say it. I'm going home. Both work well. Another one. I have to go now. Repeat. I have to go now. This is polite and direct. Try them together. I'm leaving now. I'm going home. I have to go now. You practiced all 3. Now saying goodbye to coworkers. See you tomorrow. Say it with me. See you tomorrow. This is friendly and casual. Or, have a good evening. Repeat. Have a good evening. This is a bit more formal. Another one. Take care. Say it. Take care. Short and warm. Let's practice these goodbye sentences. See you tomorrow. Have a good evening. Take care. You completed that practice. Now sentences about finishing work tasks. I finished the report. Repeat after me. I finished the report. This tells your team you're done. Or, I sent the email. Say it. I sent the email. Clear communication before you leave. Another sentence. Everything is ready for tomorrow. Repeat. Everything is ready for tomorrow. This shows you're prepared. One more. I'll continue this tomorrow. Say it with me. I'll continue this tomorrow. Honest and professional. Try it again. I'll continue this tomorrow. You're doing fine. Here's something to practice. Tonight, before you actually go to bed, practice your end-of-day sentences. Say them like you're really leaving work. I'm leaving now. See you tomorrow. Have a good evening. Say each one 5 times. Put feeling in your voice. Make it sound natural. And tomorrow, when you actually leave work, use one of these sentences. Say goodbye to someone, even if it's just one person. You're building the habit of speaking English at work, one sentence at a time. You're making real progress. Thank you for practicing with me today. You listened to 60 daily work English sentences. You repeated many of them. You stayed focused through morning greetings, work tasks, meetings, and end-of-day phrases. That's real effort. That's real commitment. Every sentence you practice makes you more confident at work.
Even if some sentences felt difficult, you tried. And trying is what builds your English skills. Now here's your 7-day Work English Challenge. Day 1 and 2, practice morning sentences. When you wake up, say 5 morning work sentences out loud. Good morning. How are you today? Good to see you. Say each one 5 times. Do this before you leave home. Day 3 and 4, add task sentences. Practice saying, "Can you help me, please? I'm working on the report. I need more time." Say each one 10 times. Do this during your commute or lunch break. Day 5 and 6, practice meeting sentences. Say, "I agree. That's a good idea. What do we need to do next?" 10 times each. Do this in the evening at home. Day 7, practice end-of-day sentences. Say, "I'm leaving now. See you tomorrow. Have a good evening." 10 times each. Do this before bed. 7 days, different sentences each day, real work English building. Remember, you don't need to use all 60 sentences. Just focus on a few that fit your job. Practice those until they feel natural. Listen to this episode again tomorrow and the next day. Each time, different sentences will feel easier. You are not alone in this. Many learners feel nervous speaking English at work, but you're doing something about it. You're practicing, you're preparing. One sentence at a time, you're becoming more confident. Keep going. You're doing important work right now.